This is how to create an ETS account on the TOEFL website. With an ETS account, you can register for a TOEFL test, buy test prep, view your scores, order score reports, and more. Before you create your account, make sure you have a current and valid identification document. Check the ID requirements for the location where you will take your test, since requirements can vary. Now let's get started. From the Login page, select the Create an Account button. The first and most important part of creating your profile is entering your name. The name in your account must exactly match the name on your identification documents, excluding any accent marks. Continue with your gender, date of birth, username and password, address, phone, and email. You can then choose to receive helpful text messages and emails from ETS. Next, you'll be asked for your native language, country of citizenship, and country of birth. When you're done, click Continue. Then you can sign up for the TOEFL Search Service. This free service allows universities to send you information about programs, scholarships, fellowships, and other educational opportunities that you might not know about. Choose Yes or No and enter any requested background information. If your plans change, you can update this information in your account later. Then click Continue. Almost done. On the Review and Submit page, confirm that all the information you've entered is correct. Pay careful attention to your name, gender, and date of birth because those items cannot be easily changed later. Scroll down, review everything, check the box to acknowledge the terms and conditions, and then click Submit. That's it. Look for a confirmation email from ETS. And now that you have an account, you can register for a test. Good luck on your TOEFL test.